In this video, learn how to use the Supervisor Approval screen in Salary Planner. Once the recommendation entries of all salary managers which report to you as the approver are completed, you will receive an email directing you to access Salary Planner and review the entries. Click the link in the email or navigate to Salary Planner using the steps in the How to Log In to Salary Planner video to access this page. On the Salary Planner page, expand the Supervisor Approval menu. In the expanded menu, select APCS, also known as Administrative Professional Civil Service Supervisor Approval and/or Faculty Supervisor Approval. The process for both is similar. If you have both APCS and faculty, you will need to go in and approve both separately. For this demonstration, we will use the APCS Supervisor Approval. Select APCS Supervisor Approval. This will open the APCS Supervisor Approval screen. The search criteria that are on this screen will be entered with your information by default. No information will need to be entered or changed. Click the Search button. Select any field in the APCS or FAC row to open the approval page. This will open the APCS or Faculty Supervisor Approval page for your review. Click on the name of the supervisor to view the salary recommendations that were entered by that person. This will open the recommendation entry sheet for the selected supervisor for your review. Review the allocations for each supervisor. Once reviewed, click the Level Up button to return to the prior screen. If the supervisor listed has supervisors that report to them, you will see an icon that looks like a miniature org chart. Click on this icon to see an additional list of supervisors. Click on the supervisor name or names to display the salary recommendations that were entered by that person. Click on the Level Up button to return to the previous screen. Click the Approve or Deny checkbox for each supervisor as applicable. Recommendation entries for all supervisors are required to be completed for the Approve and Deny checkboxes to be available. If denied, the supervisor will receive a system-generated email notification explaining that adjustments are needed. Once the updates are made and resubmitted, you will then be notified to review the recommendation entries again. Once all supervisor recommendations have been approved, click the Submit button in the header section. A message will display confirming your approvals and denials. Click the OK button to confirm. Click the Cancel button to return to the screen. An email will be sent to the next approver once all their direct reports have completed their recommendations and salary approvals. They will then follow this same approval process. Scroll down to the footer section to return to the search page. You may then log out or select another menu option.